Hello everybody, welcome back to Crystals Collectibles, Pokey Fun Collectibles. Today I'll be showing you this Pokemon Great Ball set that includes a Pokemon coin. I got Suicune, and 3 Pokemon booster packs. This one had 3 different packs, which is cool. Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse with Palkia and Dialga. Pokemon Void Voltage with Pikachu, Gigantamax Pikachu, and Rebel Clash, which has the starter. Now, I did already pre-open these guys, just so I can take out the code cards. I have not seen what's inside these guys. I just pre-opened them so I can take out the code cards, and so it's easier to do for the video. We'll start with Rebel Clash and see what's inside. I also got these Eclipse deck protector sleeves ready in case there's a rare card, and I got hard cases that are ready in case it's a really rare card. Put those guys in them if there's anything good. Open them now. Get them ready. Okay. Now, I don't know if this one's 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll try that and see if it's 4 or 6. Some are 4, some are 6. I never know, so let's see. Oh, it was 6. So what I'm going to do is put the 6th one on the bottom. So I don't know what it is. I got Reverse Hollow Litwick. Cute looking Pokemon. Not one I was planning on collecting, but I might change my mind. He's really cute. Next up is P-Dove. 3 P-Doves. Hanging out together. Really cute. Trubbish. One I really don't plan on collecting, so that's going off to the side. Not two. I really love the animal Pokemon, but the ones I am collecting right now religiously are Pikachu, the Pikachu family, Eevee family, and some of the Gen 1 fire Pokemon with the starters. I got Snow Bar, cute, but potty toad. Like the background, it's really trippy. I don't know this guy. He must be from the newer games. The only newer game I own right now is Legends of Arceus, so... And I haven't seen him in there yet. I haven't really gotten that far. Ah. More grim? More grim? More grumbling? Maybe? Really, really weird looking Pokemon. Definitely not one I'm gonna collect. Sell pile. Got energies. Water energy. Hope I did this right. And I did not. Magna Buzz is my special card. Not hollow, not full, so no one I'm keeping. So maybe it was 4. Maybe I did do it wrong. Got Medicham. That's cool. He's meditating. He's got flowers all around him. And last but not least is a keeper. Hello. Hello, Tile. I'm not getting any better with these Pokemon's names, but I am trying to learn them. Really adorable looking. So nothing amazing so far. Nothing too, like, big. Next I'm gonna do Cosmic Eclipse. See what's in this one. Alright, this one I'm gonna try 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What to be 6 again? Watch this one actually be the 6. Nope, 5. I think she's my... Because this one's star. I got... Whizmacaw? Whizmacaw? She looks really cute, just not one. Donate pile. Oh, okay. This one's my rare one. 4 Magnemite. Really cute. Alright, you're going in the case. Now, any Pokemon I'm not collecting that's rare like this, I am going to sell on eBay. So, once I get my eBay set back up because of the new rules, I will have all of my extra cards on eBay to sell to anyone who wants them. Pull out Magnemite. Don't know if I'm going to keep this one. If not, it's definitely going to go for sale. Timer pod. I love the art style. Now what I'm keeping. Skull. Again, amazing art style. It's not a keeper. I don't think I'm gonna keep a lot of ghost Pokemon or any at all. Just depends on which ones they are. Definitely a keeper though. My girl Evie. She's hanging around in the water in a forest. Really cute. Tentacruel. Next. Drildar. Great catcher. Rubia. I do keep all the, I try to keep all the supporter cards, but I think I already have her. So if I do, that's going in the sell donate pile. And last but not least is a fire energy. I really gotta learn how these things work because this was a star Pokemon. But she's the one I'm really looking for. Okay. Those guys to the side. And last but not least is Void Voltage. Let's see if I get anyone on this one. So far not a lot of keeps, but one really cool looking card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still gonna go 4 and hope for the best. I could either start with the best card or end with the best card. And I'm starting with the best card. Talonflame V. Full art. And he's going right in the case. Now this one's tricky. I do love keeping all the real life animal Pokemon, but if I can make a little bit off of them and get cards I really want, like the Pikachu and Eevees, I'm gonna probably end up doing that instead. I don't know how much this guy or this guy is worth. If you know, let me know down below, but probably end up looking on eBay to see if they're even worth selling. Next up is Leon. supporter. Blooper. Oh, he's just hanging out in a little pool. Really cute. Milky? Milkinky? Really weird looking Pokemon. But it looks so cute too at the same time. Beldum? I think it's Beldum. Hiding out in the forest. Slugma. Hanging out with the volcanoes, of course. Blitzel. Thunder, Zebra. Staying with me. Memory Capsule. Nuzleaf. Really cute. I don't know if he's going to be a keeper or not, but he's adorable. Shuckle. Again, hanging out in the forest. A lot of these Pokemon love hanging out in forests or fields. Really cute. I am keeping him. And last but not least, again, is the water energy. So gotta remember the 5th card is a charm on some of these. So this is my donate/sell pile. A lot of the cards. And only a few keeps this time. Which does happen sometimes. I'm keeping Shuckle. Just because he's really cute. Keeping Blitzel, the Zebra, Thunder Zebra. Really adorable. If I don't already have Leon, he's a keep. My girl Evie is totally a keep. Not to. P-Dove. ×3. Oops. Litwick. I decided to keep them because they're really cute. Again, 2.5, almost 3 of them hanging out together. Helipinite. Really gotta learn how to pronounce these guys' names, but totally a keeper. If I don't have her, keep her, but I believe I do. Erica. And maybe keep, maybe sell the 2 special cards I got this time. See if I can get a the Magnemites with Surge. I believe that's Surge. Really cool. And Talonflame. Flirt. Thank you all so much for watching. I love and appreciate each and every one of you who stays till the end and puts up with me not knowing half these Pokemon's names. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe out there. And thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.